expecting to know what goes on behind the scenes of an industrial design studio, behind the products, and I think it stood up to that. I'd really like to be a part of this team because the kind of products that are made here, it's seen that will actually make a difference in the society.
To understand how things work in a real design studio, it's an experience that we didn't have before.
At Gemklip, we wanted to create a space for design enthusiasts to belong. We wanted to reach out to the design students so that they can bridge the gap between what is practiced in the industry and what is taught at school.